How you doing, guys? See that guy behind me?
Hi.
That's Benny. Best friend a brother could have. Alright, let me show you the tree in my front yard that we're gonna take down today. It's not big. What do you think, Benny? 40 feet? 30? Just a small maple, but it's getting close to all these power lines. I'll show you. So I want to take it down before it starts getting too close to the power lines and too big that I have to pay somebody to take it down. So the plan is I'm going to get up there and cut as many low branches as I can on the ladder. Once I do that, we're going to tie a rope to this leader on the left. We'll cut that individually, pull that down, clean it up, and then when we're left standing with just the one chute, we'll be able to just cut that whole thing down in one shot. So let me get you set up in a time-lapse mode and we'll get started. Alright guys, so we're going to just get rid of all these lower limbs. It makes it easier for when you actually cut down the tree, that you have less branches to get caught up on things. Plus they're really close to the wires running along the street here. So as many of these branches as I could get off before we actually cut down the tree, the better off we're going to be. But this tree in my front yard, I mean, it's not a bad tree, but it's really just a pain now. It's to that point where it's starting to hit wires, it's starting to grow over my house, drop leaves all over the place in my gutters, and honestly I'd rather have some more sunlight hitting the house than having a tree with all that shade. There's a lot of moss around it because it just doesn't get sunlight, and that's kind of my purpose and reason for getting rid of it. I just want to clear the front yard up, get some more sunlight, and possibly do a few more projects in my front yard to just dress it up and give it a little bit more curb appeal. So that was the reason behind taking this tree down. Alright guys, so unfortunately this first leader that's growing to the right in this screen, I had another camera set up, but the camera somehow didn't work, so I didn't get this in live action, but it's in time lapse. I just hooked it up to a took the rope and hooked it to my plow mounts on the truck and pulled it down. Came close to the edge of the house, but we got it down without any damage, and here I am just kind of cutting it up, getting all the brush out of the way. And we're going to get set up to pull down the main part of the tree. As you can see, it's probably a 40-foot tree, I'd say. So I'm glad we got through this without any damage. Nice angle of you, Benny. Careful up there, boss.
Just be dangling from the tree.
Well, the tree is down and cut up, guys. Just loading into the trailer now, cutting it up small and compacting it, because they charge per cubic yard when you go to dump material like this. So the smaller you can make it and the tighter you can get it, the more money you save. And speaking of saving money, I probably saved myself a couple $1,000s doing this project on my own instead of hiring a tree company. So that was nice too. It was a good afternoon and another project done. So if you're subscribed, guys, thank you for the support and watching this video. If you're not subscribed, if you could hit that subscribe button, it really helps the channel. And check out the channel as well for a lot of landscape construction and hardscape installations, as well as plow videos. So make sure you check that out, guys. And until the next video, God bless.